What's happening, guys? Coming at you from the warehouse today. We got a big shipment in of the new DOWN4SOUND wire. Some of it's new. We got a couple of them sitting right beside me. I'm going to show a couple of the new flavors or colors, if you will. But we got a big restock in of all the other colors that we've been out of. So this is exciting. A ton of people have been messaging us, when are you getting more wire in, over and over and over. So we can tell you now that we're getting it in stock. This is the first container of 3, so we ordered so much wire this time we had to get 3 40-foot containers versus us usually getting a 20-foot, and then we worked our way up to a 40-foot. So now we're getting 3 40-foot containers. We got the first one in today. So anyway, I'm going to show you a couple of the new colors that we just got in, which is purple and yellow or gold. So I'll let you be the judge on this. So this is going to be the yellow, but I think I'm going to call it gold actually, because it looks more goldish than yellow. This is the DOWN4SOUND 0 gauge OFC silver tinned copper, 100% copper with silver tinning, so it's going to protect against corrosion and give you a lot of longevity out of this wire. We go with 4704 on the strand count because we deem that that's a good amount of wire to have inside of here with a good size of a jacket. You can obviously get more strands inside of here if you were okay with the thin jacket, but the problem is you can, if it just gets barely nicked on something going through your firewall or whatever, you're going to get a short and it's going to cause a bunch of problems. You can burn your vehicle down. So we would like to have a thicker jacket on our wire. If you want bigger wire, you can always go with our next size up 2-aught wire, which is I think 5950 on the strand count. So, and other people have like oversized 0 gauge. I'm like, if you want bigger wire, just buy the next size up. So, and a lot of people run into problems with oversized wire not fitting into their amplifiers. You get an oversized 0 gauge, it won't fit into your amplifiers. You have to buy special adapters for it and everything like that, so you can actually even run it. So anyway, we stick with the 4704. Everybody that's gotten this wire has loved it. It performs well. This is what I use in the Tahoe, and yeah, it's great stuff. So this is the new, I'm gonna call it gold wire, and this one right here is the purple. I'm really digging this purple color. It's super fly. So we're just adding to the flavors that we have for DOWN4SOUND. Any of y'all Lakers fans? I don't really watch sports, but one of my employees said, man, that's Lakers colors right there, baby. Or somebody saw it that was from Louisiana. They're like, Mardi Gras, baby. So a bunch of people that's going to be using this wire already know. So again, we have a ton of other colors: red, blue, black, clear, pink, gold, purple. We're constantly adding to the lineup. Or if you can think of a color that you would like for us to do next, I usually do polls on social media and ask, hey, we offer these, we just started with 2 colors, and every time I would ask, like, what should we do next, the next 1 or 2, and I always see what the biggest demand is, and we come out with that color. So now that you see like all the colors that we do offer, what would you like to see next? I know one person so far today has said orange, like to go with the Avatar or Crescendo amplifier, stuff like that. So I think orange would be a good color, but let me know in the comments below what color you would like to see as the next color on the DOWN4SOUND wire. Don't forget, we have tons more wire coming in, and we have wire in 8 gauge, 4 gauge, 0 gauge, 2-aught. We have paired 8 gauge speaker wire, primary wire in 12 gauge, 8 gauge, tons of different sizes and flavors on the website. You can check that out on down4soundshop.com or by clicking the link in the description below. So check it out, drop your comment below on what color you'd like to see next, and we'll see you in the next video. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have DOWN4SOUND Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.